Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to take a look at On the Edge ROM. This is the 3.5 version if you don't know. So this is the Lite one which is best on Note 7 port, and pretty much everything is working in this ROM, and it also has a very good battery backup. So today we are going to take a look at the ROM, and let me just show you the first booting speed, because it's insanely fast than the stock one. I know the people are saying that the Cry OS is faster than that, because it just like displays the name and jumps straight into the ROM, but this is quite fast too for a whole another port. And you saw the new Note 7 boot up screen over there, which is white, and there you have it. It was so quick. So first time, here's the pattern. Okay, oops. There you have it. So here's your UI. Let me just decrease the brightness a bit. This is your new Brace UX, and many other things have been changed since I've reviewed the SAC23 ROM a month ago, I guess. Yep, but this is a whole lot faster than that. But the main complaint is that the system UI lags. You can't see it right now because I have just booted the ROM, but if you use this ROM for more than 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, which we will take a look back again, as you know, it starts lagging a lot. I tried to fix it by many other things like tuning, system UI tweaks through the build prop, but nothing would help. So let's just take a look at the apps, clock, gallery, email, basic stuff, phone, and as you're seeing, the app opening times are very quick and fast, also no lag at all. As this is a S7, you can't expect lag on this thing, or else your head will be shattered, I guess, if these things lag. Camera fully working with the hyperlapse too, and I know there are the same sensors with the Note 7 and the Galaxy S7, but the focusing on this thing is very much faster than the stock app. You can't even notice that it's focusing right now. There is a difference, you can't see it to the camera quality. If you turn the HDR on, it lags a bit than the stock one, which is forgivable because the focusing speeds are very nice, and it also helps in much of a darker scenarios. Here is the hyperlapse, it is working, and the video recording quality is much more improved through the HDR tweak which the Note 7 has. We don't need the HDR chip with the Note 7. It works with the S7S2, which is a good thing. Selective focus, everything is working just fine. Slow motion, everything is working good. Front camera also has a new gestures. Also the clarity is much better, so it just does pretty weird things, like it's focusing, but if you turn off the face correction, the image would be very much sharper. Also the HDR is fully working. Let's just swipe right back. Here are your filters. More of the stock filters are also there, and the third-party apps like Sweet Selfie and everything. Other stuff you can download from the Galaxy apps too. Here's our hyperlapse and basic other stuff. I don't know why this spinning app is over here. So it just locks the app, which is good. Music. So this ROM is not pre-rooted, you have to download SuperSU in order to root it, and it will be working with the drop recovery, because I do like that only, not like CF auto root or other things. As you know, SuperSU Pro, and you can just toggle it through here, Max Kick Manager, Maggie Skip. And if you root, your Android Pay will not work, which is a nice thing through the security. Now you do have a add away OTA updater, good. I don't know why the Pokemon Go is not working, we'll check on that later on. Game launcher, same, nothing much of a difference, but the recording option is much more diverse now. Then you have the Samsung themes fully working, side syncs. Display scaling is not present in this ROM, so you have to download a separate app for that, and it works pretty fine, good actually. Voice recorder, music, everything is present. My files, air command. So air command is working, you have to use the root for that, but I don't know how to use the GIF cause create a note works. S Pen keyboard just crashes randomly. Screen write works. Okay. Translate also works, but you don't have the S Pen to get it working. Glance doesn't work. Magnify, you need a, okay, no, you need a S Pen to get it working. So that's pretty much not of any use. S Finder just crashes. I don't know why, but I can't find the GIF. I don't know whether the developer has like removed that feature or not. And also this doesn't come with a flipboard on the home screen, so if you want to show off to your friends that you can get a air count without the S Pen, I just set it like that. Pretty cool, huh? We'll just dismiss it. But the Note 7 has like a force touch of a thing of iPhone 7, but you can't do it on this thing, so you have to drag it and just do that to get the pop-up, or you can just swipe up. No, it was working on the SAC23 ROM, but now it's not working. And display blue light filter is also working, which is an awesome thing. Enable now, and as you know, it's fully working. You can directly change the opacity, which is good. You can set a schedule. Then for that, screen resolution also working. It was not present in the previous builds, but as per the September patch it has, but I can't show you because I'm using a display scaling mod, so it will just bug off. But it doesn't do much, like you will not see a very performance overall, but it will decrease your Antutu benchmarks. I don't know why, and it will not increase your performance either, because these devices are very fast actually. Indeed, always on display, fully working with the image. Let me show you. Layouts, go down, go over here, select an image, just a random image. There, apply. You can just basically convert the color as per your scheme, and there you go. You can just keep your family photo over there, but I like this one. You can pretty much change. Many of the backgrounds are been present over here from the Note 7, and here is the stock one from the Note 7. Pretty cool. You can just basically set a schedule for that. Always on display, edge screen, everything is working. Wallpapers and themes working. Now advanced features, this will everything will just keep on crashing, so don't fiddle around with that. Smart stay works. Games, now here is the game tools. Go to the record, and here are more diverse of options. I want none. Game audio, resolution 720 would be good, because 1080p, like you can set the bitrate, but auto would be best, because sometimes it just becomes much more pixelated, and it's not your fault. Pop-up view gesture, everything is working. Smart capture, there is a weird option over here. Let's just try it on. There is it. Scroll capture, crop, nope, still the same. Direct share still doesn't work as it would be. Iris is just, it freezes the ROMs over there, but the fingerprint scanner speed is much more improved. Let me show you. It's always on display. That was pretty quick actually, and if you have it on, just tap it, it's just insanely fast. Here is the new smart manager, much more what you say, kinky, because it is not just easier than before. I don't know whether the Samsung is going like a more posh UI, a much more faster, but this is the laggy shit. I don't know why. Here's the blue light filter, but I know this is like a no-good thing where you can expand each other notification panel. As you can see, I tap the Wi-Fi. Here I can tap the Wi-Fi to expand it. Same UI. Here is the toggle to enable it. Here is one more settings done. I don't know whether the Google is stealing the Android nougat through the Galaxy UX or the Samsung, because Samsung has a habit of putting the features. So if you own a Galaxy Note 4, you might be remembering the recent panels from the Lollipop, which was on KitKat, which was a very awesome thing because it was not laggy at all. So let's just fiddle around with this. Here you have the search, brightness. I would like to have the brightness bar over here as before. do not disturb power saving. So max is now working, which is like a smart manager thing. Torch, I like to play around with this. You can just basically adjust the brightness, which is good. Blue light filter, you can just directly adjust it from here. Much more diverse. General things, user manual, basic stuff, and not much to worry about in this ROM because everything is working. The blue light filter, the air command, everything. I don't know still how to configure this thing. You have to pull up. So basically download this activity launcher and it would allow you to toggle the hidden settings of your phone. It's very awesome thing. I tried on every device on this thing to try out the various hidden settings. And as I know, the Galaxy J2 has many other hidden features, but here is that 6 gear touch with swipe reset. Okay, so I just resetted that and switch it to air command. Okay, so if you just swipe it to the left, it will launch the air command. Pretty nice. Let's just take a look at the setup wizard, whether it's the same or not. Okay, it's the same from the latest one, but if you go into software info, it's running September patch, which is not given to the S7H, which is a bad thing because Samsung should give like this is a 2016 flagship. Samsung must be giving us to the customers September patch or any other security patch. It must be delivered at something around 10 days of its OTI release, but the Samsung didn't give, but it gave it to the T-Mobile versions to the customers, but I don't know why it doesn't came to the international users like what you say Exynos versions, because Qualcomm has a quad rotor thing which needed to be fixed because these are the flagship devices. This can't leak the security things. So guys, thanks for watching. This was my review for the on the Edge ROM Lite 3.5 on the Galaxy S7 Edge. So guys, subscribe to our channel for more Galaxy S7 videos and peace.